can't feed them from right here.
No, you feed these guys that are sitting here waiting for food.
Hi.